Okay, this should be working. Let's grab the stream. Really plug myself in all the Discord servers. I think I'm just a total pest, which I am. Don't get me wrong. Okay. So I promoted myself in a bunch of Discord servers. That's ideal. Always good to promote yourself in a bunch of Discord servers. I don't know if this will actually work. Let's just promote a couple. This one. This one. That's probably. Let's do this. Okay. Well, this is probably. That's probably enough now. Still have 0 viewers, but I've probably plugged in enough servers now. Okay, so done that. Open cargo.toml. Okay. Yeah, with cargo.toml. Yeah. Okay, it's that. Cool. Package hello cargo 0.1 edition 2021. But it's 2022 now. Tom's obvious minimal package format. I already looked at source/main.rs. It just hello world. Yeah, so it just makes me do things in a source directory, which is hardly awful at all. Okay, it is public. I was streaming for 15 minutes. The stream was on private. Okay, so I can go cargo build. Right, ls slash. Did I guess it right? Okay. Okay. So, nice. I could also just like, that. my opinion, significantly easier. Cargo check. Okay. Nice. Okay. I'm actually need to do cargo check, right? Because I'm using like Rust Analyzer. And then cargo build, release, and then it doesn't target release. Cool. Nice. Nice. Cool. Okay, what's a crate? I wasn't really paying that much attention. Um, yeah. Okay, version number, you have it? Yeah. Yeah, so it's basically Kball, um, with Haskell. Packages of code are referred to as crates, which is in the dependency section. So if I go to like cargo.terminal again, yeah, dependencies looks like there's like there's clearly no dependencies. So cool. Programming guessing game. Is there anything else I actually have to do here? I have to, like this part, like this. Because it's like the thing is, I like Haskell, but Haskell makes it very difficult to tell how much memory your program uses because it's lazily evaluated. So right now, Rust is looking really, really pretty. It's like, whoa, you can actually tell how much memory you're allocating. Crazy. Okay. You like, okay, so I'll just target new guessing game. The guessing game. Open NeoVim there. Open main. That's exactly the same, which makes sense. 0 concurrent viewers. That's fantastic. Okay, so okay, so it's called okay, so this is basically like an import, like a include. So you have like use IO std. Bro, you're so contrarian for freaking C++. Oh, I think you're so superior. Okay, it's std. That makes more sense. It's like, oh, we're not like C++. We don't use include. We use. Remove the whole use item. Remove it. Is it like implicit here? I don't like that it doesn't like fix it until after I save, but it's minor in terms of like, you know. Okay. Use stdio. Yeah, and I can do it. It's ln. gonna do it. Yes, the number. I'm just gonna put this on the other window. The number, and then left mutable. Yes. String new. Okay, so from what I understand, it's like a mutable. It's like a growable mutable string, like fundamentally. Like it's like Haskell string is the comparison I'm gonna use just because new string and IO SVD in dot read line. Okay, so we have the standard input dot read line. What is there like a more expect failed failed to yield. Okay, so like it should yes. Yeah. It's back over here because I'm mostly just reading it. Okay, yeah. I probably should have just read through this instead of just copying it, but oh well. But all of the times I've been told that I should learn Rust, it's finally happening. Hey, you guys should rewrite this in Rust. No, I'm not rewriting it in Rust. Okay. Yeah. Okay, most of this I'm just sort of like I remember a doorbell did a Rust stream. I'm kind of just stealing this from him, but I don't care. But I think you'll find. Um, yeah. But oops. Okay. Okay, so you use that to make it mutable. That makes sense. String. Okay, so your new is like something from the string, like type. Is it like members basically, or is it like a method essentially? They're just trying to make it. They're using so many words here to make it not say it's a method of string, which I find hilarious. An associated function of the string type. When it's a method. That's what that is. That's what a method is. Okay, so yeah, we're calling string like string dot new almost. I understand. Like a stat. It's like it's probably almost more like a module is what I'm guessing. Like string is some module. No, okay. String is like an actual type. It's SCD string. You would think it'd be SCD string new. I guess what's that? I'm guessing it's like some sort of like overloadable like box type like thing like that. Getting the standard input and then okay, what's this? Okay, so read line. Um okay, yeah, so self is what? Whoa, the documentation is kind of just in here. Nice. We love to see it. Okay, so reline, it just like takes like the string it wants. So yeah, does it doesn't tell you the type of self, like the self reference. That's not what I meant. Okay, so it doesn't tell you the type of self, and then this is the handle. Okay, this takes in a result of size. And this expects, yes, I wish it would tell me what self is. Like what type implicitly is self. Oh, it's result here. And this is stdin like an actual type. stdin is a type. 1 second. Okay, I'm back in action. Okay, so this actually just okay, stdin just returns. I thought it'd be like a handle, like it's not specifically stdin as a type. I thought it'd be like a return such a handle, which it does not. It does not return a handle. So, and this takes in stdin result. It's like the self type there. So it's like results. Is that like implicit? No. Okay. Clearly it's not. So, um, result is an enum that can be one of, well, multiple different types, like values, basically, and call each one a variant. Yeah, so it also returns a result. Yeah, and this is like, I think Python does this. I don't know Python, but I'm pretty sure Python does this kind of thing. Like string literals. Okay, so then I should be able to just be like cargo prime. Something can use a number, so that just sort of works. Um, um, okay, so now it wants. Oops. Okay, so now it wants me uh, to generate some random number it needs to guess. Um, so I have to include the random operator. Okay, that makes sense. Uh, so, so yeah, build. It's just take a long time to do that. Okay, I've returned. It has probably been done for it actually took 39 seconds. It probably has been done. Okay, so yeah, probably gajillion years or not. I think it actually something ran it for me. Is what took so long. Okay, so I have to let's go back to here. File. Correct. Yeah, okay. And the reason the compiler is always not using it. At least it's not a compiler like Go, which is like the most usually the most annoying thing about Go. Uh, so secret numbers and okay, so that's like Rust ranges like 1 to 100. Yeah. This is my one. I'm sorry. Also, okay, I didn't copy it correctly since you used to do control shift. It's actually not line of code. No, I'm not using it. Leave me alone. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna like this has too much. Look how much freaking stuff there is here. This is too much. This is information overload to me. I'm just gonna go slower than this. Let's see, like, all over tests. You open there. Let's get into dollars. And go back to Hello World. When did we make a project called variables? Uh, um, uh, yeah, because X is immutable. So now it works because accent is immutable. Yo, I had one viewer for a second. That's insane. Um, yep. So okay, so you have to annotate the type that. And just use const instead of let, and then you have to use type annotation. I didn't. I should have done this. I think I should have done this. I think that's what I was supposed to do. Oh well. Okay. Uh, okay, this is the soft industrial binary rebate only. Yeah. Yeah. It's not just all. Yeah, this is a thing. Ugh. I hate this. This is always, if I had $1 for every bug I've had that amounts to this error, this annoying thing happening, be rich.
It's the other two poles, which is useful. And so I can that yeah. Okay, so like Go, where like the type is part of the it's part of the thing. It's a slice type, like the array slice type. I feel like I should do this afterwards because it's scary. Okay. Nice function. See it. Snake case. Stinky snake case. Hey. Another function. Actually, what not me. So give me the oh, function. Yeah, yeah, perfect. Yeah, main and not main. Classic. That makes sense. I know borrowing is going to be obnoxious. Uh, we can borrow a system just because I've heard of things. Parameters look like TypeScript. I think that's what TypeScript does. So I'm actually no TypeScript, so I'm just really knowledgeable about so many things. Clearly, um, so yeah, yeah, that's fine. That makes sense. Statements and expressions. Expression based statements do something. Expressions of value. Yeah, this is a statement. Statements of return and do not return values. Um, it's a statement, it's not an expression. Yeah, so this is an expression. Ooh, can you do like optional, like your, oh, I have a viewer? Gosh, guys, I have a viewer. It's probably just because I put Rust in the description a lot of times. So I got that Rust. Because Rust fans are all frothing at the mouth. Oh, they're gone. Okay, so why is x plus 3 then 2 and x plus 1? Yeah. Yeah. Uh, Expressions don't have ending semicolons because okay, so what makes it's OCaml. It uses OCaml's statements versus expressions essentially and functions return values. Yeah, okay. Just freaking OCaml with memory safety added. That's all Rust is. I'm gonna make so many Rust. If Rust programmers were actually watching, they'd be fuming. Although I am correct. Yeah, but that's relatively sensible. Okay, what I want to, I would like something like format where I take in what's say line 32 and like C, which is like char, and then return. A it's not like a, it's like is it that? Is that the syntax? I haven't do that one. Okay, that is the syntax. But can I do like, ooh, does that work? Oh, okay. So, okay. So, uh, this thing, uh, is, no, I use those though, right here. I don't actually know if this works. So, let's start. Okay, so how do I actually like add this? Okay, it is that. That's it. Okay, so this is the big question. Does that work? No. Okay. Does that only work in print statements? So not you can't just like format it like that. Guessing. Um Yeah, I'm guessing no. It just doesn't. Okay. Well, it's already inside a format, I guess. So can I like make it like an actual string? Okay. Just do it to what is this to? Looks it's a macro, so it's an action do that. Okay. Um, okay, so this is string. Not turning to a literal string though. Um, okay, so, yeah, so I've got that. So can I do like okay. Yeah. How is that not just kind of it's the idea is this is the string of the yes, it just doesn't. I don't think I can do that. So, um, can I just have it return like the actual string type that I want? Because basically, I just want to see if you can use that. It's like that. I just want to know if you can like store format string. Oh, I actually care now. No, I can't. I just can't do that. Okay. So that's just you can't do that. Sometimes just act like intense. Just annoying. Yeah, so that's an actual kind of string. Just kind of guts that. So, um, oh, okay. You can just do it that way. Cool. X. Ew, is this three space indent? What kind of monsters are these? So disgusting. It's revolting. Oh, it says the audience current vary is 0. That doesn't sound ideal. But yeah, that works. It just works. That's yeah. So that works exactly the same. You can't just return a correlation because it doesn't. You're not allowed. It's against the rules. So that's kind of annoying. But yeah, can I just like make it +1? Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. So let's ideally I'd be able to do maybe five. Basically just be. I don't think that the Rust type system allows us to. What if I really just made it +1? Yeah, that's correct. So I just no, Donald Pride is gone. I can't believe I've done this. When did he type it? When did he type it? When did he type it? I don't know when it was. I probably missed it. Can't believe I've done this. Oh no. Oh no. Can't just do that, right? Okay, like function that takes change to oh yeah, I don't even know if that was the correct syntax or function pointer. Yeah, it wasn't. Um I'll come back to this. Don't worry. I'll come back. Just gotta go get some milk. Imagine I just end the stream there. I mean, I have been streaming for almost an hour. Like I know that's not that long, but like so, you know.